Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Chespin from Pokemon. Let's start with the head first. Draw a circle. Turn the circle into sphere by making two curved lines, one vertical and one horizontal. Draw an outer circle. Draw nose at the intersection. Draw eye. Draw eye. Draw mouth. Detail the face. Draw leaf shape on the head. Draw ear. Draw ear. Draw a new shape for the body. Draw stick lines for the leg position. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw tail. Draw hand. Draw hand. Detail the face. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.